Hello and welcome. This is Thomas from AI, and in this video I'd like to talk about the different use cases of Agent Analytics. Agent Analytics by AI allows you to track and analyze the different AI bots, crawlers, and agents coming to your website to identify the different content they crawl as well as potential gaps you might have on your website. So let's talk about the different use cases. What can you do with Agent Analytics? The first thing I'll say is take a look at the agent visits over time. You can either filter by agents or by engine overall. As we can see here, we have quite some visits from the ChatGPT-User agent, followed by the ClaudeBot, and so on and so forth. This is a great first impression to see, one, are the agents coming, which agents are crawling my page, and if you scroll down, on which pages do they engage most often with. Second, which types of agents are coming to your website, right? Not every agent is the same. We have different on-demand AI fetchers. There are agents crawling the internet basically to build up the search index. And we also have agents from the different models that are basically crawling content for the training of the different LLM models. As you can see here on my screen, you can even filter by those different categories. On my own website, we can see that the ChatGPT-User agent is actually the primary and only agent that acts as an on-demand fetcher. But there's also other types of agents like the ClaudeBot used for the training data coming to my website. This is a great way to identify, one, if your website is crawlable in the first place, and second, how the different agents are coming to your site. The third thing I'll say is take a look at the top pages visited by all the different agents. When you head over to the Pages tab, you can actually see all of the different content pieces that the different agents are engaging with. You can see here on my homepage, the ChatGPT agents are most frequently visiting, while the robots.txt is primarily visited by Claude, ChatGPT, and others. This is a great way to see and basically correlate the agent visits with your user visits, your web analytics, and your overall business strategies. Are your top products getting agent visits or not? There might be already some first gaps in there. In addition to that, you will also see if the different crawlers are engaging with your robots.txt. This is the file where you basically define if and which agents have access to which parts of your website. And as we can see here, that my robots.txt file is pretty much respected and crawled by the different crawlers, especially ClaudeBot, SearchBot by OpenAI, and so on and so forth. So I do recommend to also check your agent analytics to see if those crawlers are respecting and engaging with your robots.txt file. All in all, Agent Analytics as a standalone analytics product gives you great insights on the different search engines and how their crawlers are interacting with your website and its content. Let's talk about the combination of AI search tracking as well as Agent Analytics. Now dive deeper into the combination of things, meaning is my Agent Analytics traffic also showing up in the citation data? So let's check out the most cited URLs. The most cited URLs, we're going to see all the different URLs getting referenced by the different AI search engines. So not only my own URL is getting referenced, but as you can see here in my list, other website content pieces are getting cited and referenced here as well. But since I have installed Agent Analytics on my website, you can now see that actually next to the citation data, you can also see the agent visit data. So how often particular agents have been engaging and crawling my content, my different URLs. As we can see here, the About page has 16 agent visits, pretty much ChatGPT leading this, while there's a big number here on the citation data. On the contrarian side of things, my homepage gets lots of agent visits, but the citation data is smaller. What does this tell you? What does this mean? One, it pressure tests my prompt set. Am I really tracking all the relevant search prompts in the first place to really define that metric here on the citation side of things? Maybe I'm not capturing the relevant search queries that lead to a homepage crawl in the first place, and I might expand my prompt set here. Second reason, it's also some sort of conversion rate. Think about it like this. An agent is crawling my content, is coming to my homepage, in this case, is crawling that particular page, and then is deciding if it's citation-worthy content. Are there content chunks in there that can be cited and referenced within the AI answers? And as we can see here, my homepage has less citations than my about page, although my about page has fewer crawls. This could mean that the content that sits on my about page is more relevant for the different AI search engines and therefore is cited more often. A really great way to spot certain content gaps also between the crawling data as well as your citation data. So all in all, combining agent analytics with your citation reports are a great new way to combine the data to learn and gather more insights on potential gaps. For us, this is the first step towards end-to-end tracking. As our goal at the end of the day is to help you optimize for AI search visibility, we believe that agent analytics adds a fundamental new layer to your reporting and to your insights that hopefully will help you do better on AI search. If you have any questions on that, feel free to reach out to us at hello@otterly.ai or simply use the live chat on our website or in the app. We're here to help. Looking forward to hearing more from you. Bye bye.